later this week. The president explained his decision to NBC's Chuck Todd. Take a look.
So they came and they said, sir, we're ready to go. We'd like a decision. I said, I want to know something before you go. How many people will be killed? In this case, Iranians. I said, how many people are going to be killed? Sir, I'd like to get back to you on that. Great people, these generals. They said, came back, said, sir, approximately 150. And I thought about it for a second. I said, you know what? They shot down an unmanned drone, plane, whatever you want to call it. And here we are sitting with 150 dead people. That would have taken place probably within a half an hour after I said go ahead. Yeah. And I didn't like it. I didn't think it was proportionate.
Here with more on all of this is our own Jennifer Griffin. Jennifer.
Jason, there's a very different atmosphere here at the Pentagon today, so much so that Acting Defense Secretary Patrick Shanahan left the building at 4 p.m. today, his last day in the building after his sudden resignation on Tuesday. Here's what we know happened last night between 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern. The B-52s had not taken off yet when the stand-down order came. Other fighter jets were in the air, we're told. Navy warships were in position and ready to strike with Tomahawk missiles, just awaiting the go orders. President Trump explained his change of heart in a tweet. Quote, we were cocked and loaded to retaliate last night on 3 different sites when I asked, how many will die? 150 people, sir, was the answer from a general. 10 minutes before the strike, I stopped it. Not proportionate to shooting down an unmanned drone. I'm in no hurry. There remain serious questions about what changed the president's mind. Any military strike plan earlier in the day would have been accompanied by a casualty estimate. Those first briefings by the military occurred at 11 a.m. at the White House and again at 3 p.m., not 10 minutes before the launch. Iran used it as a propaganda victory. State TV released this video showing what it claims is the wreckage of the large U.S. Navy drone. It's the second time in a week Iranian forces fired on U.S. drones. There's no evidence based on Iranian behavior that these were rogue units that shot down the U.S. drone. Furthermore, Iran said today it chose not to shoot down the manned U.S. Navy P-8 Poseidon surveillance plane with 20 Americans on board to avoid casualties. That spy plane shot this video of the U.S. Global Hawk being shot down. Tensions are lower today in the Persian Gulf, but the U.S. military, we are told, is still poised to respond if Iran does anything provocative. There are still 70,000 U.S. troops in the region and an aircraft carrier strike group. Jason?
Jennifer, thank you. Also